Hi there, thanks for joining me. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to show you how you can look at your pricing history. Within Repricer, we keep a history of every single reprice, as well as the reason why we reprice to that level and some other useful details. This is very helpful if you want to explore why your products are pricing the way they are, or just see what Repricer's been doing for you. There are two ways that you can explore these details. You can either do it on a product level, or you can pull up your entire history and filter it by useful options such as when the reprices happened or the different kinds of repricing events. We're going to start with the product level approach. To get started, let's open your product screen. Go to Products and then Amazon on the left hand side. The process here is just the same if you're using eBay. Once the product screen is open, you can search or filter for whatever products you'd like to look at. Simply click on it and the product sidebar is going to open. Click the Repricing Events button at the top. Once you do this, you're going to open the Repricing Events page, but it's already going to be filtered to this specific product, with the entries at the top being the most recent reprices. Straight off the bat, you can see recent changes that have occurred. Changes such as the old price, the new price, and the difference between them. You can also find out the type of event that has taken place. Standard Amazon is as you'd imagine, a normal reprice, but there are others such as the Buy Box Chaser, Buy Box Optimizer, Business Reprice, and many others. The Repricing Events page is very important when it comes to understanding why you're repricing the way you are. Hover over the I under Reason and it'll give you an explanation of why you've repriced the way you have. This is really helpful for understanding the logic of how Repricer's working. Using this option, you can also customize the columns. There are a couple of others, such as your minimum and maximum price, which are not currently displayed. You can add and remove any columns you want to make this really suit your needs. You can also use the filter button at the top to further filter your results down. Right, so that's the first approach, one product. But let's have a look at this at a bigger scale. Let's clear our product filter now. Once we do this, all of our repricing events are going to be displayed. Doesn't matter which channel and it doesn't matter what product. They'll all be displayed chronologically for you here. This is exactly what you'd see if you just clicked Repricing Events to pull up this screen in the first place. From this, you can quickly get a view of what your repricer's doing right now. Then, you can use the filter option at the top to filter the results to what you want to see specifically. Speaking of filters, let's open it up and take a look. We offer an awful lot of filter options to let you really drill down. There are the obvious ones such as channel, ASIN, SKU, but you can also filter based on things like sales rank, buy box ownership, event type, or even how many sellers there are in your listings. Other useful options include title search, your current price, or even the time of the reprice itself. Using these, you can really drill down to identify changes and when they took place. If you find that there are specific searches or filters you want to make regularly, you can save your filter for future use. This is all aimed at making it as easy as possible for you to understand what Repricer is doing, and of course, make your life easier. If you'd like to learn a bit more about the other insights options and repricing history features available, have a look at the channel where we have a good number of other videos on this subject. If you haven't started your trial yet with Repricer, we offer 14 days, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch with one of our helpful team? We'll be happy to set up a demo. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.